Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Weebly account. First, log into the one you want to delete. Now, on the top right, click on your name. Then, go to your account settings. Now for here, you'll see different sections. To delete your account, go to your My Data area. For here, you can now go and erase your data and forget your account. So just go and click on that. Now, make sure that your decision is final, as deleting your Weebly account and erasing your data cannot be undone. So once you're final with your decision, just go and click on this checkbox beside I understand and would like to proceed. Once done, just go and click on the Erase Data button, and that will automatically delete your Weebly account. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.